Welcome to Winner's Bench. The best Makita Jackhammer is probably one of the most powerful and versatile tools you can add to your construction arsenal, designed to break through concrete, asphalt, and other tough materials with impressive efficiency. Whether you're a professional contractor tackling large demolition projects or a serious DIYer needing to break up a foundation or driveway, this jackhammer offers the performance and durability you need to get the job done right. Its robust construction and ergonomic design ensure it can withstand demanding job sites while minimizing user fatigue, making it a reliable partner for any heavy-duty task. Number 5. Makita HM1203C Demolition Hammer. Introducing the Makita HM1203C Demolition Hammer, a powerful tool designed for demanding tasks. It accepts SDS Max bits for versatility. Its robust 14-amp motor delivers an impressive 18.8 feet-pounds of impact energy. This ensures it can tackle even the most challenging applications with ease. Experience consistent performance with its constant speed control. It automatically adjusts motor power under load, maintaining speed for tough jobs. The soft start feature suppresses startup reaction. This provides greater precision and accuracy when you begin your work. Stay informed with intelligent indicator lights. An LED service light signals brush replacement needs, while an LED power light indicates potential switch or cord issues. Enjoy hard-hitting power with a surprisingly lightweight design. It's ideal for horizontal work, offering efficiency without unnecessary bulk. What we like. This tool boasts a powerful motor and constant speed control for demanding jobs. It also features an LED service light for maintenance. If you're looking for a reliable hammer for general demolition and need clear indicators for upkeep, this is a solid choice. What people say. The Makita Jackhammer is a powerful tool that makes breaking concrete much easier. Its compact design allows for easy maneuverability in tight spaces. The anti-vibration system significantly reduces user fatigue during prolonged use. Number 4. Makita HM1214C 27 pounds, AVT Demolition Hammer. Experience the raw power of this demolition hammer, driven by a robust 14-amp motor. It delivers an impressive 19 feet-pounds of impact energy, ready to tackle your toughest jobs. Work in comfort with our advanced anti-vibration technology. This internal system significantly reduces vibrations, ensuring more energy goes into your work and less into your body. Maintain optimal performance with constant speed control. It automatically adjusts power to keep the motor running at the right speed, even under heavy loads. Enjoy enhanced precision and accuracy thanks to the soft start feature. It gently suppresses startup reactions for a controlled beginning to every task. Adapt to any application with the variable speed control dial. Easily match the speed to your specific needs, offering unparalleled versatility for diverse projects. This tool is engineered to excel in the most demanding applications. Its powerful motor and advanced features make it an indispensable asset for any serious professional. What we like. Experience superior comfort with its anti-vibration technology, designed to reduce user fatigue. It also offers variable speed control for versatility. If you prioritize comfort during extended use or need to adjust speed for different materials, this one is ideal for you. What people say. The Makita Jackhammer is a powerful tool that makes breaking concrete much easier. Its compact design allows for easy maneuverability in tight spaces. The anti-vibration technology significantly reduces user fatigue during extended use. Number 3. BOSCH BH2770 VCD Breaker Hammer Deluxe Kit. Experience outstanding power with 43 feet lbs of impact energy, despite weighing only 63 pounds. It's perfect for the toughest applications, including foundation work and pipe laying. BOSCH's active vibration control and an ergonomic shock-absorbing handle provide enhanced control. This means a longer air cushion in the hammer mechanism for a smoother operation. Our service minder brush system automatically shuts it off for brush replacement or maintenance. This allows you to concentrate fully on the task at hand. The grease-packed gearbox and hammer mechanism ensure long-term durability. Forget about job site lubrication uncertainties, this tool is ready when you are. Featuring a new motor design, it delivers up to 30% more impact energy compared to previous models. Get more done with increased motor output power. This deluxe kit includes the breaker hammer, a deluxe cart for easy transport and maneuverability, plus a variety of chisels to tackle any job. What we like. This breaker hammer delivers exceptional power for the toughest applications, combined with active vibration control for enhanced comfort. The included deluxe cart adds significant ergonomic benefits and maneuverability. If you tackle heavy-duty tasks like foundation work and need maximum power with excellent control and portability, this kit is a top contender. What people say. The Makita Jackhammer is a powerful tool that makes breaking concrete much easier. It's surprisingly lightweight for its power, making it manageable for extended use. The anti-vibration system significantly reduces fatigue, allowing for longer work periods. Number 2. Makita HM1317CB 42 pounds, AVT Demolition Hammer. Experience unmatched power with a 14-amp motor delivering 25.7 feet-pounds of impact energy. It's built to tackle your toughest demolition jobs with ease. Work comfortably thanks to our internal counterbalance system. This technology significantly reduces vibration for a smoother, more controlled operation. Never lose momentum. Constant speed control automatically adjusts power to maintain optimal speed, even when the going gets tough. Achieve greater versatility with a variable speed dial. Easily match the speed to your specific application for precise results. Stay ahead of maintenance with the integrated LED service light. It alerts you approximately 8 hours before brush replacement is needed. This tool is designed to accept 1 to 1/8-inch hex bits, offering broad compatibility for various tasks. What we like. With substantial impact energy and Makita's AVT for reduced vibration, this tool is built for demanding demolition. Its variable speed control adds to its versatility. If you need a powerful hammer for heavy-duty work and appreciate the combination of brute force with user comfort features, this is a great option. What people say. The Makita Jackhammer is a powerful tool that makes breaking concrete easy. Its compact design and lightweight make it easy to handle and maneuver. The anti-vibration technology reduces fatigue, allowing for longer use. Number 1. BOSCH BH2760VC Brute Breaker Hammer. Introducing the BOSCH BH2760VC Brute Breaker Hammer. Experience unparalleled demolition power with 1000 blasts per minute and an incredible 35 feet lbs of impact energy. Don't let its 63-pound weight fool you. This tool delivers an impressive impact-to-weight ratio, and it's ready to go wherever you need it, running on standard outlets or a portable generator. Our advanced vibration control system and ergonomic, shock-absorbing handles are designed for your comfort. You can tackle demanding jobs all day long with reduced fatigue. This breaker hammer is engineered for durability. Service minder brushes ensure preventative maintenance, while the grease-packed gearbox means no worries about worksite lubrication. The rubberized, non-slip housing cover provides a secure grip and prevents accidental slips, ensuring stability during operation. It's built to withstand the toughest job sites. Ideal for heavy-duty concrete and asphalt work, this tool is your reliable partner for breaking through the toughest materials. Get the job done efficiently and effectively. What we like. This breaker hammer offers an impressive impact-to-weight ratio, making heavy-duty work more manageable. Its vibration control system and grease-packed gearbox ensure durability and comfort. If you're focused on heavy concrete and asphalt demolition and value a tool that balances power with longevity and user comfort, this is the one to consider. What people say. The Makita Jackhammer is a powerful tool that makes breaking concrete easy. It's surprisingly lightweight for its power, making it manageable for extended use. The anti-vibration system significantly reduces fatigue during operation. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.